Last month, I tore down a 10-year-old Japanese import from Hokkaido, a brutal salt belt region, and the undercarriage looked factory fresh. Zero rust. Meanwhile, I'm rebuilding same-era American cars from identical conditions with frames crumbling on contact. That's not luck. It's a system. Japanese owners follow a strict, seasonal rust prevention routine. American drivers wait until rust shows up. By then, the damage is already structural. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what that system is, why it works, and how you can start using it this weekend before salt eats your car alive again. Drop a comment. Have you ever treated your undercarriage? Or are you ignoring it? Subscribe to Car Care Xpert. This is the kind of maintenance most people learn after it's too late. Why American rust prevention fails. Before I show you the Japanese method, you need to understand why conventional American rust prevention is fundamentally inadequate. The typical American approach is reactive. You notice rust bubbling through paint, sand it down, apply some spray paint, and hope for the best. By the time rust is visible through paint, the damage beneath the surface is already catastrophic. Rust spreads under paint invisibly for months before breaking through the surface, and surface treatments applied over existing rust only temporarily hide the problem while corrosion continues underneath. I've peeled back American-style rubberized undercoating from vehicle frames and found metal completely eaten through. While the coating looked intact from the outside, the coating was protecting rust from being seen rather than protecting metal from rusting. Japanese rust prevention works from a completely different philosophy. Japanese mechanics treat rust as a chemical process to be interrupted rather than a cosmetic problem to be hidden. And this fundamental difference is why their vehicles survive salt belt climates that destroy American cars. The Japanese philosophy, penetrating protection, the cornerstone of Japanese rust prevention, is using penetrating wax-based compounds that creep into every seam, joint, and cavity where moisture hides, rather than coating only visible surfaces. The product Japanese mechanics have trusted for decades is fluid film, lanolin-based penetrating treatment derived from wool wax with unique properties conventional undercoatings can't match. Lanolin is naturally hydrophobic, meaning water beads off and can't maintain contact with metal long enough to initiate corrosion. Unlike petroleum-based rust preventatives that dry and crack over time, lanolin remains slightly fluid and self-healing. If the coating gets scratched, it flows back together and maintains protection. The penetrating capability is what separates fluid film from spray-on undercoatings. Lanolin actively creeps into seams, weld joints, and cavities through capillary action, following the same paths moisture takes to reach unprotected metal. I've sprayed fluid film into door cavities through small holes and watched it creep through the entire cavity over hours, coating surfaces no brush or spray could reach directly. This penetrating behavior is why Japanese mechanics apply it to enclosed spaces where rust actually starts, not just surfaces you can see. The complete Japanese rust prevention system. Here's the exact system Japanese mechanics use twice per year. Timing is critical. Perform this in early spring after winter salt is off the roads, and again in late fall before salt season begins. Step 1 is thorough pressure washing of the entire undercarriage, wheel wells, and door jambs at minimum 2,000 psi with a rotating nozzle that gets into tight spaces. Salt left in seams accelerates corrosion even after the vehicle dries, so complete removal is non-negotiable. Allow the vehicle to dry completely before proceeding. Step 2 is inspecting every inch of undercarriage with a flashlight and mirror, paying attention to frame rails, suspension mounting points, and rocker panels. Any bare metal gets treated immediately. Step 3 is applying fluid film to the entire undercarriage using spray application for open areas and a long nozzle wand for penetrating enclosed spaces. Japanese mechanics saturate every surface with extra attention to seams and welds. Step 4 is cavity injection, the most critical step American rust prevention completely ignores. Japanese mechanics inject fluid film into every enclosed cavity, including rocker panels, door bottoms, and frame rails where moisture traps with zero ventilation. The inside surfaces of these panels are where rust destroys vehicles. Cavity injection prevents moisture accumulation by coating every interior surface with water-repelling lanolin that displaces any moisture already present. The products Japanese mechanics trust the Japanese system relies on specific products with properties conventional undercoatings can't replicate. Fluid film is the primary weapon, available in aerosol cans for $15 to $20, with 2 to 3 cans required for complete undercarriage treatment. The long nozzle extension is essential for cavity injection without drilling access holes. The second product is Permatex rust treatment for any bare metal spots. This converts surface rust into stable primer that prevents further corrosion. Never apply fluid film directly over active rust without first treating with rust converter. The third product is 3M Professional Rubberized Undercoating for areas receiving direct stone chip impact, wheel well edges, and leading edges of frame rails. Apply rubberized coating only to properly prepared surfaces. Then apply fluid film over and around these areas to protect seams the rubberized coating can't reach. This combination provides both impact protection and penetrating corrosion prevention that neither product delivers alone. Critical rust starting points. Japanese mechanics know exactly where rust begins and address these areas with extra attention. Rocker panels trap road splash and salt in lower seams, where factory undercoating chips constantly from stone impact. I've seen rocker panels on 4-year-old American vehicles completely rusted through because this area was never treated. Frame rails rust from the inside out, moisture enters through any opening and collects where factory drain holes clog with debris. Japanese mechanics clear every drain hole during treatment and inject protection deep into frame rails from multiple access points. Door bottoms are equally critical. Clogged factory drain holes trap water inside door cavities, where it rusts through from inside. Suspension mounting points receive special attention because rust weakening these areas creates genuine safety concerns. Weld seams throughout the undercarriage are treated individually because welds create microscopic gaps that trap moisture through capillary action. The long-term financial case, the financial argument for implementing this Japanese system, is overwhelming. A complete twice-yearly treatment costs $60 to $80 in materials and 2 to 3 hours of time. Over 10 years, that's $600 to $800 total. Compare this to rocker panel replacement at $800 to $1,500, frame rust repair at $1,000 to $3,000, or complete vehicle value loss when rust progresses beyond economic repair. I've tracked vehicles maintained with this Japanese system through 10 to 15 years in harsh salt belt climates and found structural rust essentially eliminated. Vehicles without protection in identical climates typically develop structural rust requiring expensive repairs within 5 to 7 years. After 15 years of watching rust destroy vehicles that should have lasted decades and studying the Japanese approach that prevents it entirely, I can tell you with absolute certainty that proactive penetrating rust prevention beats reactive surface treatment every single time. The Japanese system works because it treats rust as a chemistry problem requiring penetrating intervention rather than a cosmetic problem requiring surface paint. Fluid film, cavity injection, thorough pressure washing, and twice-yearly systematic treatment will keep your vehicle rust-free in climates that destroy untreated cars, saving thousands in repairs while extending vehicle life by decades. The $60 and 2 hours you invest twice per year is the best maintenance money you'll ever spend. If this video just showed you how to protect your vehicle from the rust that destroys most cars, smash that like button and share it with everyone in salt belt climates. Drop a comment telling me whether you've started treating your undercarriage yet.